Angrybirds birthday. What a beautiful morning. I gotta look at the counter because it's my birthday. Birthday. It's December 2nd. It's my birthday and it's also Labor Day. Birthday. Everything's ready for a birthday. Birthday. Hey, she's here. Everyone hi. Birthday. Really, is everyone? Oh, I can't see everyone around here. Where are they? Surprise! Did I screw myself over there yet? Not all the way. Oh, let me do it again. Surprise! Happy birthday! Surprise! Surprise! Yeah, I can stand up again. Surprise! Oops, I forgot to put my hand on. That looks better. That's better. Surprise! Surprise! What's this? Happy birthday! Guys? What? There's a pig behind you. Don't worry, I can handle it. My magical hat always works, even on birthdays. Oh, that's so sweet of you to remember my birthday. What's my present? Oh yeah, the present. Me and Red are gonna get it now. Come over here, Red. Okay, I guess we'll be right back then. Okay, then maybe we have to find something for Pinkwood's birthday. What? I don't know. It's just too hard. He likes Lucky Diamonds, but she also likes this bouncy ball that we don't know what it's used for. And she also likes this Lego airplane with too many figures on it. Maybe that you can give them all 3 of them. Yeah, that would be a great idea. Thanks, Dreamboard. Yeah. Now let's go, because we're running out of time. Yeah, she's about to leave. Let's just go quick! 2 seconds later. So here's my present. Well, except one present. We got 3 of them! Really? We got the Crazy Diamonds game. But I really need money so I can go down. I'm trying to find them. Thanks for the game. No mention it. But we got more. We also got this bouncy ball. Really? I don't know what it does, but it's great. Thanks. You're welcome. How about the last gift? I only want to see a last gift. Okay. We got the Lego airplane, including 2 minifigures. Oh, that's awesome! Thanks, guys. This has been the best birthday ever. Sorry, we don't have any cake for you. It's okay. I already made my wish anyways. That's interesting. Ignore the exclamation or the question mark. I was about to erase that. This has been Hayden Lee Productions. Enjoy your day.